Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am telling top 5 reasons to buy Mivi Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker under 1000. I bought it for only 900 rupees, guys. I will tell top 5 reasons why to buy this speaker. The so let's get started. So the first reason is the 24 hours playtime, guys. The speaker is 900 rupees, but it is providing 24 hours playtime. In this budget, all speakers are providing 5 hours, 6 hours. But the company claimed it's 24 hours. In real time, I use it. It came around 15 to 17 hours, 15 to 16 hours the playtime, and 15 to 16 hours also enough, guys. And yeah, the speaker is providing 5 watts, and the sound quality is just phenomenal, guys. The sound quality is amazing. That's why this is the best Bluetooth speaker under 1000. If we want a speaker, majorly we will see two things. The first one is the sound quality, and second one is the playtime. It has the battery life around 24 hours. The battery inside the battery is 2000 mAh. These two major points satisfied me, guys. The sound quality is amazing, and the playtime is also 24 hours, and it is coming with Bluetooth 5.0, means the Bluetooth 5 version, guys. And in this video, the first reason is completed and the second reason also completed. The third reason I am telling, guys, the third reason is the design, guys. See, guys, the design is really very good. They gave carrying strap, and this is fully metallic, guys. In this budget, we are getting another company Bluetooth speaker with plastic. In this, they gave metal grill, guys, and this is fully rubber, guys. And the button quality is also very good, guys. And we have four grip, guys, to when we kept on table it will not move, guys. And this is also one good feature. And here we have mic, guys. Hands-free calling is there, guys. One microphone also they gave. And here we have aux cable and micro USB port, guys. uh, Overall the design is very good, guys, in this budget. And backside we have Mivi logo. And this is the third reason, guys. And coming to the fourth reason, it is waterproof, guys. We can simply dip in water and we can enjoy in swimming pool also. But the company didn't claim it is waterproof, but I tested, guys. It is waterproof only. I didn't dip into the bucket. Just I sprinkle some water and I pour some water like this, guys. It survived. So the fourth major reason is waterproof. So guys, the fifth reason is Mivi. Yeah, guys, this brand is an Indian company. That's why we need to promote Indian companies. That's why I bought Mivi brand. And these are the top 5 reasons, guys. The first reason is the sound quality. Second reason is the battery life. Third reason is the design and build quality. And fourth reason is water resistant. And fifth reason is made in India. So these are the 5 reasons to buy Mivi Roam 2, guys. Believe me, guys, this is the best speaker in this budget till now. This speaker launched before 2 months, guys, but up to now any speaker didn't beat this speaker, guys, for its battery life and amazing sound quality. I will leave the link in description, guys. If you're interested, you can check out this speaker. Now the speaker price is above 900, guys, but in Flipkart and Amazon offers will come, guys. In that offers time, the speaker will cost around 900 rupees. So hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye. Stay tuned, guys, for more interesting videos like this.